Hello, viewers. Welcome back to our channel, Devintelle. Today we will see how to create tasks from the lead. So let's see about that, how to work it. You can see here our module, Dev create tasks from lead. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to CRM, go to leads, go to anyone and see here this button for create task. Now click on add here project like office design, assign to demo. Write here description about project like about projects and deadline is 31st August, priority low. Now click on this create button. So see here need info for create task. Click on and also display info. I did select office design, so easily display here. Assign is demo and deadline is 31st August and display here lead. If you found this helpful, do it like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.